How to hide your friends on Discord. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be discussing on the topic how to hide your friends on Discord. So previously Discord used to allow this option of being able to hide your friends on Discord. So let me just quickly show you that the Discord's mutual friends and mutual servers features were previously available, allowing users to see people they share friends or servers with. So as you can see, however, these features have been removed or altered in the recent updates, making it harder to easily identify the shared connections. So you can also check out their detailed explanation like previous functionality, current states, and reason for change that is not explicitly stated by Discord, but for some reason it may have speculated that it might be related to privacy concerns or changes in Discord's UI. So that's it for today guys. I hope you found this video informational. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.